Hi guys, today we are playing Draw Stickman Epic 2 on the PC. I've already done like part 1 on the iPad, but now I'm doing it on the PC, so yeah. I was going to play with my little brother, but he got upset and I wanted to play it, so he went bye-bye. So I am playing it, and let's just get started. It's 8 o'clock. So we are going to be drawing Polywolf. No, not Polywolf. Polywolf. And I'm just going to get started with the eyes. This is my first time playing on a PC, so don't judge me. And it's really hard doing it with a mouse, so I'm just using the pad on the keyboard. Dude. Just skip all this and then go to the real gameplay, and then you'll find the gameplay. Okay, because this bit is going to be boring. And I am done. Oh, hello. I think I need a name. Name is Stickman. Okay, let's name him Weird Polly. Weird Polly. What is it again? Whoa. Come on. Let's just name him Polywolf. Well, Endo. My name's Polywolf. Nice to meet you, boy. It's kind of lonely here. I have no idea. Draw went for me. Okay. Ooh. You can. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. So I guess for the fun we are gonna draw Poliwag. Alright. I guess you guys are gonna have to wait for another tremendously long journey for me drawing. Yeah, Columbo. Head on the body. Doesn't look that great, but who cares? It's just a little flag. It's just a little flag. It's just a little flag. To be honest, this does look a bit evil. Come on! There. How big is that? Big. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm going to go back to the white and just put those on. Put little pupils on. And almost done. Just going to do the little chest. Then, let's see. Pink. Do we have a pink? We do have a pink. But it looks weird. Because this Poliwag has lipstick on. Not the brightest idea for a boy, but whatever. There. Time to draw a chest. I'm gonna go into the smallest one. Okay. There you go. Now, time for the legs. Or, not the legs, the feet. Because this Pokemon ain't having no feet. This Pokemon don't know what feet is. Now time for the little tail. Okay. Now we are just going to colour this in. I don't mind the blue part, because we can just easily draw that back. Really. Okay. Time for the final bit. Boom. And we have done our Poliwag. This is Poliwag, Poliwag's Poliwag's little brother. Okay, keep it together. Hi, I'm Poliwag. Let's go explore. Poliwag looks way better than Poliwag. Well, oh no, what's gonna happen? Evil Gooey! It just broke on his head. Must have hurt. How do these guys never get hurt? Serious. Poliwag? Where are you going, Bo? I'm gonna go save you. Oh, thank God this thing. Let's go! Boy! Let's go. What happened to your eye? Huh? Oh, I'm supposed to move you. Yeah, I forgot. Let's go. I can move the cursor and then it moves. Why are you whipping up the buck, boy? Why are you whipping up the buck? Why are you whipping up the buck? We need some knowledge up in here. Even though we were started in the library. Press to stop Poliwag. Boy. Pika. I'm gonna go in settings a bit. Okay. Let's just play! I used to have drawn below on my iPad, but for some reason this version doesn't have it. So, okay. Hi, boy. Ooh, look, a leaf. Let's go pick that leaf up. You found your first pencil. You can use the leaf pencil to bring dead trees back to life. Okay. So let's go to a tree and check it out. It's good. Draw these. Whee! I'm gonna draw a heart. Ready? It looks like a chili heart. Okay, so I'm gonna carry on playing now. Okay, Poliwag, watch out! There's a big fat ink puddle, and you are stepping it in this facial acid, and nothing's happening. Yeah. Stop moving. I'm gonna draw the leaves. I'm a big fat bush. Yay, we did it. We did it, yeah. No. I just got a heart. Are you serious? Whoa. Oh, hi, Poliwag. Oh, hi, Johnny Watatatwa. Quick, jollies. You should get her. Yeah. Bye, you scared. Are you a little baby? You scared of trees, you're a baby. Baby boy. Oh, hi, Mr. Minecraft guy. It's Minecraft guy. So, monster wrecked the houses, fire machine, called the cord, melted the ice, put the boulder on the dangerous cave. I think he's doing a good deed. Okay. He's probably not, but... Oh, come on, seriously. I gotta do some please. Oh, hi over there. Prepare to die. Ha. Oh, hi. Ha. Give me those hearts, please. Hey, over here, giant rat. Over here, Ratatata. Thanks. So we need to get a page to complete the book, and then we win. That's so simple. Oh, hi, jolly fish man. I've been catching some fish lately. Hi, farmer guy. Hi, farmer Al. With a beard. Hey, where am I going? I'm over here. Hi. Hi, dude. What up? Give me the leaf pencil. Let's draw a little tree, but it's not going to get us all the way because it's a little tree. And now this guy's probably going to water it. See, told you. I mean, I actually tell you, I actually played this before. Whee! No, thanks. No, thanks to you. Let me across and defeat another giant Rattata, which rivals all my business. Oh look, another giant Rattata. He's actually walking this time. Great. Bye, I'm just gonna peace out now. Hey, Farmer Al, you might want to watch out. Why does he only attack me instead of Farmer Al? Yay, we did it. I want to get a heart. Give me that hair out of kid. You found your first heart crystal. Create more heart crystals to get more life. Well, I already have a life, so who cares? Actually, there's an achievement for this, so everybody cares. And who doesn't like extra life? Okay? I guess extra life in heaven is even more great, but there. We found the page. But we found a page. Chapter complete. Oh, wait, what's this? We're in a weird place with a Minecraft and a sign with pickaxe and another sign with pickaxe and a huge lots of boulders and oh look, it's a book. It's a diary of a wimpy kid. Look, it's a sketchbook. It's a sketchbook, boy. You've discovered the sketchbook. You can use it to draw a new Stickman. Tap any drawing to swap to it in game. As you discover new pencils, you can also draw new tools. Access your sketchbook at any time using the sketchbook button. Okay. Why is this in the sketchbook though? Okay. What happened to Poliwag? Poliwag. Oh, I forgot colour in his eyes. Okay. Page number 2. Okay, so that will be it for today.